I have been seeing a great problem between parents and kids in terms of communications due to these online classes. Simple example, sitting properly. The first point, every parent wants his son or daughter to sit properly, look at the computer or whatever you're looking at, and read properly. All you guys, after first class, second class, third class, you drop yourselves down, or you have your legs on the table, and there it starts. How common is this in your houses? Or all you guys are good students where you sit properly and do it?
Yes, sir, I do it.
Yes, sir.
See, I was told this is an interactive session and I am no teacher, no marks for this. I'm pretty sure Nikhil would have said this does not have any marks. So I would like you to, I want to listen to you guys and then speak. Yeah, I'm not here to give a lecture.
Oh, my
Yes,
students
sir.
are very, very interactive actually. You will see them gradually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, guys, you can be open about the questions
See,
and
I'm a
answers.
father of 10th class students, 1 year or 2 years younger to you. And I see a great fight between my wife and my kids, where it starts. సరిగ్గా కూర్చోవచ్చు కదా, మ్యూజిక్ వింటున్నావా, ఎందుకు తిరుగుతున్నావు? These are the questions of my wife. My kids say, అమ్మా ఈ క్లాస్ నేను ప్రైవేట్లో వినేశాను, I have already learned it in the tuition, and teacher is not there, audio is not audible. So all these things are happening, right? 10 minutes break.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, and then you feel that, Amma says, మేము ఇలా లేము, ఇలా కాదు. Then it starts. అమ్మా 20 ఏళ్ల క్రితం మీరు చదువుకున్నారు, ఇప్పుడు మేము చదువుకున్నాం, మీ జనరేషన్ వేరు, మా జనరేషన్ వేరు. It all starts.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Your
sir.
parents don't understand you, because the moment your father will be in another room doing his online work and he comes and shouts at you, the moment he listens both of you guys fighting, or the moment he comes back from college or school, or from his office, your mother starts and you don't defend. 24 గంటలు కంప్యూటర్లో కూర్చుంటున్నారు, చదువుకోవట్లేదు. కాలేజ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు స్కూల్లో కంప్యూటర్ మీద ఉన్నారా, ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు ఎంతసేపు కంప్యూటర్ మీద, నెట్ఫ్లిక్స్ చూస్తున్నారు, సిరీస్లు చూస్తున్నారు, ఇవన్నీ వస్తున్నాయా?
Yes, sir, all of
yes,
them.
sir.
See, I tell you
No,
what,
sir.
right, there is some no, and I'm pretty sure you are going to be a very good student. Now let me tell you guys.
Thank you, sir.
వెనకాల నుంచి ఎవరో చెప్తారు, అబద్ధాలు ఆడుతుంది పిల్లని. See, all these things come when you can't communicate yourself properly. Communication is nothing to do with your profession. Okay? Communication is something where you should be able to convey what you want to tell properly. Okay? And communication needs two things very, very, I'm not talking about corporate communications or communications when you go to your offices or anything. I'm trying to tell the communications that are needed now, which are very, very important, Nana. The communications that you need to have now, the skills that you need to have is patience, timing, and reasoning. Patience, timing, and reasoning అంటే ఏంటో చెప్తానండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, ఎప్పుడు గొడవలు వస్తాయి తెలుసా? When you don't have patience and you don't listen completely. First of all, listen completely. It can be father, it can be mother, it can be teacher, it can be friend, anyone. Make a habit of listening. When you listen properly, the person who is talking to you will become very, very cautious on how he should talk to you. It can be anyone. So you need to have patience to listen, ma. Bold and the patience kaval. అండ్ విసుగొచ్చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది మనకి. ఏంటిది ఎప్పుడు ఇదే గోల, నిన్న చెప్పే మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళ మళ్ళీ నో. When you listen patiently, the other fellow will understand and think that yes, you are listening to them, which means that you are giving respect to them. And other fellow also tells you to listen to them. Okay, so listen, and you should have patience. And second thing is timing. ఎప్పుడే మాట్లాడాలో తెలియాలి మీకు. ఓకే, అండ్ ద టైమింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ how much time you need to talk, అది కాదు. The timing is what to talk and when to talk and what to talk. So for example, your mother or father is talking about your current second term examinations and results. Suddenly you should not bring out your 10th class marks, how well you did and you did not appreciate ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు నాకు 12th class లో తగ్గితే. No, please understand that you need to time your conversation properly. ఇప్పుడు సడన్గా మార్కులు ఎంత వచ్చాయి, ఎలా వచ్చాయి, టీచర్లు ఏం చెప్పారు అంటే సడన్గా నువ్వు టాపిక్ మార్చేసి నాకు బోర్డు అంత ఆకలిస్తుంది, నీకు ఆకలేసినా కూడా నువ్వు చెప్పవు, ఐ ఫీలింగ్ సో హంగ్రీ, యూ డోంట్ ఈవెన్ బాదర్ హంగ్రీ ఆర్ నో. ప్లీజ్, దిస్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఐ సీ దట్ ద టీనేజర్స్ lack is the timing. You need to have proper timing for your conversations. Okay, and when you time it well, నిజంగా when you want to refer something of the past or present or something irrelated also, you need to know when to time it and when to insert that into conversations. అది నేర్చుకోండి అమ్మా. Patience to timing. What is the third thing I told you?
Reasoning, sir.
Reasoning అంటే అర్థం చెప్పండి ఎవరైనా నాకు.
Everything, whatever you speak about, whatever you talk about, should have a reason behind it.
Should make sense. Say for example, నువ్వు బాగా చదువుకుంటే మంచి కాలేజీకి వెళ్తావు, మీ మదర్ చెప్తాను అనుకో, ఫాదరు ఎక్కడైనా ఇంజనీరింగే కదా, ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఒకటే కదా, వాడేమన్నా గొప్ప చెప్తాడా, ఈడేమన్నా తక్కువ చెప్తాడా, ఇలాంటి పిచ్చ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూసారా.
No, sir.
మీరు చేస్తున్నారని కాదు నాన్న, నేను చెప్తున్నా ఎగ్జాంపుల్.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes people bring
Yes,
out
sir.
examples of college dropouts, school dropouts, how well they made. It is not the
Yes,
mark at the end of the day. Kada? So you should be able to have a proper reason. పిచ్చ రీజన్ ఉండకూడదు. ఈ మూడు ఎప్పుడైతే ఉన్నాయో, టైమింగు, పేషెన్సు, రీజనింగు, దిస్ ఈజ్ వేర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ కల్టివేటింగ్. ఇక్కడి నుంచి వస్తే కానీ పెద్ద తర్వాత రావు. అర్థమైందా? అండ్ లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ, ఫార్చునేట్లీ అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ, యూ గైస్ ఆర్ బ్లెస్డ్ ఇన్ దిస్. అంటే అంటారు చూసారా, బెస్ట్ ఇన్ ద వర్స్ట్ అని. యూ హ్యావ్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ విత్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ which you will not have after this year or second year. If you are first year students, the maximum you spend with your parents is only 2 years. If you are second year, this year, after which professional studies, profession, pressures, ennuntayo. The kind of pressure you have today is nothing, because your pressure is only for performance. You don't have pressure of responsibility. You don't have pressure of, satisfying someone other than your own parents, whom you are seeing for so many years. Now I've been 17, 18 years. Okay. And definitely you don't have pressure of earning, or pressure of proving successful on every day to day. So this is a very, very nice time for you to interact with your parents and get some good memories, because this is unavoidable situation. Okay. And let me tell you guys, if you can't convince your parents, you can't convince anyone, because your parents are seeing you for the past 17, 18 years and understand you so well If you can't convey or convince him or her, how do you think that you can convince someone whom you will meet only for few days, few years, or few months?
Yes, sir.
Communication starts from home. ఇప్పుడు నేను అలాగైనా మాట్లాడతాను, నేను క్షణంగా పెద్ద నెక్స్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత చాలా బాగా మాట్లాడతాను, కమ్యూనికేషన్స్ ఇప్పుడు అవసరం కాదు కదా, కమ్యూనికేషన్స్ ఓన్లీ మనం ప్రొఫెషన్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అవసరం కదా అంటే నో. You need to practice, and the practice comes from home, Nana. And it is not that you're always wrong. It is not that, you're always at fault. Someone is trying to find fault with you or trying to do it. Don't submit yourself that you have done wrong or something like that. Just to, get away or carry that away from that movement. You should be able to defend yourself, talk to them, suggest them. Okay. So communications starts from your home. Okay. And before, I think there are some parents here in the group, right? So if there are parents in the group, what I tell them is, please understand that your son or daughter is going through the toughest times of their life. They are not able to continue how it was for the past so many decades. And they are not used for the past 15-16 years. It's sitting in one place and staying for all the 7-8 hours. School lo kuda friends to maatladtadu, there is some deviation, they can meet people, talk, something else. I want you parents to compensate their friends and their best friends, because they are not able to meet so many people that they were used to without any preparation. ఎంత డిప్రెసింగ్ గా ఉంటుందంటే, all this impulsiveness, all this anger, please don't take it as their habit or their nature. మీకు ఫ్రస్ట్రేషన్ వస్తే వాళ్ళు 2 పీకుతారు, ఎవరి మీద అరుస్తారు, లేకపోతే కూర మాడుస్తారు. పాపం వాడి మీద ఎవరి మీద చూపిస్తారు? ఆ టీచర్ మీద అడవలేడు. He can't show down his teacher. He can't stop writing his notes. He can't stop preparing. Where will he went out? Maybe yes, if there are siblings, or they may fight at the siblings or something like that, or they will take a break looking at some videos or other things. Let us try understand their point also and them also. And let us not doubt them all the time. నువ్వు 24 గంటలు కంప్యూటర్ చూస్తూ ఉంటే ఏదో చూస్తున్నావు, నాకు తెలుసు, నువ్వు నాకు చెప్పట్లేదు కానీ నాకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. నో, we may not be always right. This is a great opportunity to teach them the self-control, because after this year they will not be with us. You have to let them go. And students, please give enough confidence to your parents that amma mammalni odilipedite ma chetulo freedom gadgets unte we will not misuse them. This is a great opportunity for you to prove them. And parents, this is also a great opportunity for us to put them into the trust, saying that yes, parents and students, never lie, never hide, at least with your parents. Because at the end of the day, they are the ones who come for your support. ఏ ఉన్నా ఏం చేసినా అబద్ధం ఆడద్దు, దాయద్దు. This is very, very important. And it never hurts to say sorry on both the sides. And let us be good friends with the parents and let us be good friends with the children. And this is my only session. I'm not here to give a class, but I've been listening to students, asking about classes, parents asking about classes. The parents are now, it is like, refreshing their intermediate classes. Everyone is studying their intermediate. My wife is studying her 10th class again. And there are a lot of parents who will be studying their intermediate again. So if we are studying and parallelly monitoring everything, let us be also friends to them. And students, be good friends with your parents. Start your communication skills from with the house. Be good. This last 2 years, you are going to be there in the house, after which you are on your own. So I end with one poem just to say how communication skills are very important. This is what I always tell to people. Keyurani na bhushayanti purusham, harana chandrojvala, na snanam na vilepanam na kusumam nalankruta murdayah, vanyeka samalankarot purusham ya samskruta dharete, shiyante kila bhushanan purusham vagbhushanam bhushanam. I'll just translate it. Keyurani na bhushayanti purusham. Idorku bhujakirtulu undevi, bhujala meda. Those don't decorate a person. Na snanam na vilepanam na kusumam. Nu రోజుకు 3 సార్లు స్నానం చేసి, you use all the perfumes in the latest perfumes and you decorate yourself well. They don't decorate a person. What will decorate a person? Vanyeka samalankaroti purusham. The word you speak, the way you speak is the only thing that will decorate you. కానీ ఎలాంటి వర్డ్? యా సంస్కృత ధారితే, which makes sense. Which makes sense means it should have reasoning, it should have patience, it should have timing. క్షీయంతే కిల భూషణాన్ని పురుషం వాగ్భూషణం భూషణం అంటే ఏంటంటే, ఈ భూమి ఉన్నంత వరకు మాటే నిలుస్తుంది. నేను మీకు ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కూడా చెప్తాను. అందరికి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను. టెలింగ్ యూ దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. వివేకానందుడు అమెరికాకు వెళ్ళి టౌన్ హాల్లో మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు he started saying that my brothers and sisters of America అన్నాడు ఆయన. అని వింటారు మనం. బోర్డు చప్పట్లు కొడతారు అందరూ. Everyone applauds. Even till today, after he passed, after many decades, we remember this word. We don't remember what, so-called idol, మనం ధోని ఏం వేసుకొచ్చాడు, ఏం బయటకు వేసుకొచ్చాడు, లేకపోతే ఎవరు బ్రిటిష్ మహారాణి ఏం డ్రెస్ వేసుకుంది, ఎవడు మాట్లాడాడు. We only talk about Swami Vivekananda's words. And I'll give you a small example. When you see an auto driver, as soon as you get off an auto, when he says, "Thank you, madam. It was great riding you with you. చాలా మంచిగా అనిపించింది మీతో రావడానికి అనిపిస్తే," you remember that auto driver. Whenever you want to go to an auto stand, you look at for him. So word makes a lot of difference. So I wish you understand it and start these communications from your house. Thank you very much.
Very well said, sir. Sir, I want to ask one last thing. Can you give one anecdote from your life where you really understood the value of communication skills, and from your childhood or college days, one small incident?
See, when I talk about communication skills, it is not about the language. It is making the other person understand what you really want. See, when I started my first entrepreneur this thing, I went to pitch for raising fund for my company. Okay. And I was in an open area where everyone is making a pitch. And there were IITians, there were people from best of the colleges, making wonderful pitch. and it was my time to make a pitch. And then what I did was speak in simple language. There was no accent. There was no big words and spellings where someone has to read a dictionary. In simple language, I did my presentation and I honestly told what I would do with that money. And at the end of the day, when I got that fund, they told one thing very clearly. In all the other presentations, we learned language, we learned accent, but in your presentations, I mean, there were 3 or 4 people, they said, we learned honesty. We have seen honesty in our presentation. So communication skills lo neeti nijayati lekapothe accent okte untundi.
Yeah.
This is the latest example that I am talking about.
Wow. Wow.
So this is where communication comes. Communication skill is not finding an accent to speak. Communication skill is having honesty in your conversation. That is the skill that you need. Most of the people misunderstand. See, I'll tell you what. If someone wants to ask you to eat ice cream, okay, you can always say, no, this is a season that, we should not eat ice cream and, it's not preferable. And someone may say, oh, ice cream, I like it, but not now. And you can always say, all the things communicate the same thing. తలకాయలో ఊపినా చాలు కదా ఐస్ క్రీమ్ తింటామంటే వద్దని చెప్పడానికి. లాంగ్వేజ్ కాదు కావాల్సింది. Communication is something that you should make the other person understand. And I was telling to Nicholas the other day, the person who communicates, the best salesperson in the world are kids who are less than 6 months old. వాళ్ళకి మాట్లాడటం రాదు, భాష రాదు, కనీసం నడవటం పాకటం జెస్చర్స్ కూడా రావు. కానీ he can communicate when he wants milk. He can communicate what he don't like. He can communicate నువ్వు నన్ను ఎత్తుకో అని. He can communicate నన్ను దింపే అని. He can communicate that he is sleepy. Right?
Yeah.
He do not know any language, but he gets whatever he wants. We are all born experts in our communications, but what all we need to do is we need to put our honesty into it as we grow.
Wow. Thanks a lot for sharing that.